Good morning, students. Today we will discuss another topic, that is digestion in animals. Many times you have seen or observed cow, buffaloes, and other grass eating animals chewing continuously even when they are eating nothing. Okay? How? Actually, they do what? Whatever food they will take, they will swallow quickly, and later on that swallowed food they can taken out and they will start chewing it again. Okay, and the place where they will kept their food is called rumen, of the part of the stomach called rumen. And here the food gets partially digested, and it is called cud. But later on, the cud returns to the mouth in small lumps, and the animal chew it. And the process of doing this is called rumination, and the animals those do this is are called ruminants. Okay, the grass is rich in cellulose, and it is a type of carbohydrate. Many animals, even human beings, they cannot digest it, the cellulose, easily. But the ruminants have a sac-like structure called rumen between the oesophagus and the small intestine. Okay, the cellulose of the food is digested here. It will be digested here, and then it is processed to the digestion system. Okay, the cellulose will be digested by the action of certain bacteria which are not present in human being. Okay, so far you have learned that the animals which possesses their digestive system, but there are many small organisms which do not have mouth and digestive system. Then how do they acquire and digest food? In another section we will learn about this. And in the our next topic is dig- feeding and digestion in amoeba. Amoeba, we all know it's a single celled organism. Cell, we already studied about this. Cell is the smallest tiny units present inside the body. Amoeba is a microscopic single cell organism found in pond water. Amoeba has a cell membrane, uh, around it dense nucleus, and many small bubble-like vacuoles. Okay, in its cytoplasm, amoeba constantly changes its shape and position. It pushes out one or more finger-like projections called pseudopodia, or you can also call them false feet, for the movement and capturing of the food. Okay, as the human beings, when they move from one place to another, they will use their feet and they will use their hands for capturing the food or taking the food. Similarly, the amoeba, with the help of pseudopodia, or you can call it the false feet, use them for capturing as well as movement. Okay, amoeba feeds on very small microscopic organisms. When it senses the food, it will also have a sense organ. When it senses the food, it it pushes out pseudopodia around the food particles and capture it. The food becomes trapped in the food vacuole. The digestive juices are secreted into the food vacuole. They they act on the food and break it down into simpler substances. Gradually, digested food is absorbed, and the absorbed substances are used for growth, maintenance, as well as the multiplication. The undigested residues of the food are expelled outside by the vacuole, okay, like the human being excrete, okay. The basic process of digestion of food and release of energy is same in all the animals, okay. So in this way, we are able to complete our chapter number 2. And today, I will send you some keywords as well as what we learned in this particular chapter, and then we will focus on the exercise portions. Okay, thank you so much, my dear students. Take care.